Vinegar is a pantry superstar. Its acidic properties mean it can last forever, whether you're using it in recipes or for cleaning. Just keep that cap tightly sealed to avoid any contamination. Then there's pure vanilla extract. This one actually gets better with age. The alcohol in it acts as a preservative, so store it in a dark place and enjoy richer flavors in your baking over the years. Coming in at number 3, freeze-dried food is a game changer. With nearly all moisture removed, it can last for decades if stored in airtight containers. Next up is soy sauce, a salty staple that lasts indefinitely due to its high salt content. Just remember to use it within a few years once opened for the best flavor. And finally, hardtack, the ultimate survival food. This simple biscuit can last decades if kept dry and airtight. It might not be gourmet, but it's a reliable source of sustenance. Who knew these everyday foods could have such incredible staying power? Proper storage is the key.